Hello class 9 students. Exercise 7.2. Today I'll teach you question number 8. Show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. Question: show that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. To prove this, let us draw one equilateral triangle first. You can mark by A, B, C. You know that equilateral triangle means all these three sides are equal. So all the three sides are equal. So in given material, let us write ABC is an equilateral triangle in which AB equal to BC equal to AC. To prove angle A, B, C all are 60 degree each. That I have to prove it. Let us go for proof. Since triangle is an equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Let us take AB and BC first. Since AB equals to BC, if these two sides are equal, then AB opposite angle C is coming, BC opposite angle A is coming. So angle C equal to angle A. Since two sides are equal, AB and BC, which is given, because all sides are equal because of equilateral, therefore angle C is equal to angle A. Reason should be written: angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Second, let us take BC and AC. If BC and AC both are equal, then BC opposite angle A, AC opposite angle B. So second condition, we should go for this. Since BC equals to AC given, therefore angle A is equal to angle B. That is your second condition. Reason will be angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Third, we will go for AB equal to AC because all these sides are equal. Let us go for AB and AC both are equal. So AB opposite angle C and AC opposite angle B. So angle C and B both are equal. That's your third condition. Reason same for all the conditions. So please prepare the sentence properly. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Now from 1, 2, 3 we can prove it. C equal to A. Again A also equal to B. Again C is equal to B also. So from 1, 2, 3 we can write angle A, B, C all are equal. Now to get their measurement 60 degree each, let us take these are all equal to X. To make our calculation a bit easier, since all the angles are equal, we got it. Let us take this equals to X, inside the bracket let. Now take the triangle ABC. As you know that in a triangle, sum of three angles will be always 180 degree. So angle A plus B plus C equals to 180, angle sum property. All the values are X, so let us take X plus X plus X equals to 180. 3X equals to this, X is coming out 60 degree. X 60 degree means ABC all are equal to 60 degree. So finally you can conclude, therefore angle A equal to B equal to C, which is equal to 60 degree, hence proved. So just to make our calculation easier, we have taken these are all equals to X, so that easily you can get the value also 60 degree. That is your question number 8. That was our question. So that the angles of an equilateral triangle are 60 degree each. So we proved in a systematic way with the help of isosceles triangles concept. Now 7.2 question number 9 I'll teach you. One of the important question also for any board, so take care. Diagram already given in the question, and these are all your given materials. Question already written here. This is the complete question. That's your question. Now your given material AB, AC both are equal. D is a point on AC, E is a point on AB. They gave us AD, DE, EC, BC all are equal. Then prove that angle A is to B equals to 1:3. So let us write the given materials first. Question number 9. Question you check properly. Given AB equals to AC. D is a point on AC and E is a point on AB such that AD, DE, EC, BC all are equal. So take the triangle first, ABC. D is here, E is there. Connect everything properly because diagram already given in the question. And they told us these all are equal. To prove A is to B equals to 1:3. Now, to start this, first let us take AD and AE, AD and DE, sorry. Since AD equals to DE, which is given in the question, then AD opposite this angle, that is AED, you could see here, and DE opposite angle A is coming. So angle AED equals to angle A, condition 1. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Second, let us take DE and EC, both are equal. DE equals to EC. They gave us. So diagram should be perfect also. Since DE and EC both are equal, then this angle and this angle also equal. DE opposite this angle and EC opposite this angle, both are equal. So angle ECD is equal to angle EDC. That's our second condition. ECD, that is this angle, and EDC, this angle, this one and this one, both are also equal. Condition 2 reason same. Third, let us go for EC and BC. These two also equal. Then this opposite angle B and this opposite angle CEB, yeah, BEC, whatever. So angle B is equal to angle BEC, condition 3. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Same reason. So by any means, we will take each pair of equal sides and we will make these three conditions. Sides are equal, opposite angles are also equal. Now next, in triangle ADE, I'll show you from the sketch. In this triangle, this line is extended. So this angle is the exterior angle. This will be equal to this plus this. Exterior angle property you know. In a triangle, if one line is extended, then exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. So in triangle ADE, this angle is the exterior, this equals to this plus this, which is written here. In triangle ADE, angle EDC, that's the exterior angle, is equal to angle A plus angle AED. Inside the bracket, exterior angle property. Angle AED, already we proved here, is equal to A. That is your condition number 1. Let us replace this. You will be getting angle EDC is equal to double of A. That's your condition number 4. After that, we are going for angle AED, DEC, BEC 180 degrees, straight angle. I'll show you from the sketch. Look at this. Angle AED, this angle, and this angle. All together, since it is straight angle, this plus this together will be 180 degree. We can write linear pair here because three angles are there. Linear pair means double. Since three angles are coming, let us take this together makes 180 degree. That I did. Let us see the writing. Angle AED plus DEC plus BEC equals to 180 degree. Straight angle. In condition 1, we got it already. Angle AED equals to A. Change it. Angle BEC equals to angle B. That is from condition 3. Change it. Now only problem is that this DEC. This DEC, you can do the side work. Inside you don't need to write also. You can do the side work where angle DEC plus EDC plus ECD 180 degree. See from the sketch. This is one of the triangle here. This angle plus this angle plus this angle together makes 180 degree angle sum property. So after making all these conditions, I am utilizing this. And already I have taken this plus this together makes 180, that is straight angle. This I have changed by angle A, this by angle B. Now this one we are changing. This together makes 180 degree. EDC and ECD both are equal. Already you had this in condition 2. ECD and EDC both are equal. So in place of EDC we can write ECD, we can write EDC also. So DEC plus EDC equals to 180. DEC is equal to, this is double, goes there means minus. So 180 minus double of EDC. You don't need to write this here, you can do in a rough also. So in place of DEC, I have written here 180 minus double of EDC. And these two I have changed from condition 1 and 3. And these already I have shown side work, and that can be replaced here. Now angle A minus this side 180, that side 180, different side, same thing, same sign can cancel out. Angle EDC, let us change by double of angle A. So angle A minus 2 into EDC should be replaced by double of angle A plus angle B equals to 0 from condition 4. Angle A minus 4 of angle A plus angle B equals to 0. Minus 3 of angle A equals to minus B, plus B send that side. Minus minus cut. B you can bring down. So angle A by B equals to 1 by 3. Result is coming 1 is to 3. This is the answer to this, which is proved. They told us to prove it, proved. So different way also we can solve this. This I found one of the simplest way. I have taken two pairs, two parts, equal sides, and I made its opposite angles are also equal. By this way 3 conditions I made. After that I have used exterior angle property from this triangle ADE. Then I have used straight angle concept, and this DE I have changed into 180 minus double of angle EDC, which I have shown here. After that we got the result, angle A 3 times A equal to B, so A by B is equal to 1 is to 3. Now question number 10. Here it is given TR and TS both are equal. Angle 1 is given double of angle 2. Angle 4 is given double of angle 3. Then prove that triangle RBT, you could see here RBT, this triangle, and triangle SAT, this triangle, both are congruent. Let us write the given material. These are the given material. That's your question. Draw the diagram also. Then to prove triangle RBT congruent to triangle SAT. These two I have to prove as a congruent. Now first given material, TR and TS both are equal. If TR and TS both are equal, then TR opposite full angle is coming angle S, and TS opposite is coming angle R. If these two sides are equal, then angle S is equal to angle R. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. After this, you can change this, that is angle R equals to angle S, number 1. Now let us take these two conditions. From the sketch it is clear that angle 1 and 4 both are vertically opposite angles, because both the lines are crossing each other, and you know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So let us take this angle 1 equals to angle 4, vertically opposite angles B dot O dot A. Angle 1 should replace by double of angle 2, which is our given material. Angle 4 should be replaced by double of 3. So 2 cut, angle 2 equals to angle 3. Angle 2 equals to angle 3, which is your second condition. Now look at the sketch. From this full angle R, if you subtract this 2, then this small piece will be left over. And from this angle S, if we can subtract this 3, then this small part will be left over. So that only we are doing, subtracting 2 from 1, left minus left equal to right minus right. These two subtraction will give us TRB, that is TRB, the small angle, and this side you are getting TSA. TRB and TSA both are equal. This will help us to prove congruency. Now let us take triangle RBT and triangle SAT, RTB and STA, where angle T is common. From the name also this condition should match. That's why I have written angle RTB and STA, where angle T is common. TR equal to TS already given, and these two angles right now we proved they are equal. So both the triangles are congruent, hence proved. This is your question number 10. So to prove this congruency, very simple. I have taken this one as a common angle. This TR and TS both are equal, and this angle already proved by showing this subtraction. I have proved already TRB and TSA both are equal. So I have taken this condition. By angle side angle congruency, we can prove both the triangles are congruent. With this I'll conclude today. Bye.